Next, we are asked to find the horizontal intercept. So let's review and make sure we know what horizontal intercept means. So we have a vertical intercept and a horizontal intercept. So this is horizontal. So we want to know, when is that function, if we were to graph it, when is it going to cross this horizontal axis? So in this problem, we had our variables were not x and y, they were s and p. And we talked earlier that p is the independent variable. So instead of x-axis, we have the p-axis, and then instead of y, we have the s. So we want to know, when is it going to cross, what p-value. So we're looking for what our p-value is. So that means we need to solve for p. So we need to leave that variable there, and we're going to go ahead and plug in here a 0. Now, the reason why we're going to plug in a 0 there is back to that idea of, we want to know, now I'm going to make this up, these are totally random values, but let's pretend that the function crossed like this. If I read this ordered pair to you, right there, this ordered pair is at 3, 0. So we move over on p, we move over 3, so that's what we're trying to figure out. Where does it cross? So we need to figure out what our p-value is when the s is 0. So that is why we're going to plug in a 0 here. So now go ahead and solve that equation. So we're going to subtract 13,000 from both sides. And now that we have the variable term by itself, we're going to divide by the coefficient, which is a negative 1,000. And we get that p is 13. So that means that it's going to cross this axis right here. Means it's going to cross right here at 13, 0. So the horizontal intercept is 13, 0. And now we need to explain what this means. So since we found P, that's the price charged, so we would say, when the price charged is $13, the number of toys they can sell is 0. So when the price charge is $13, the pool toy company will not sell any toys. It means that they priced it too high and they won't be able to sell them.